Since 2004, Honeywell has been deploying unique solutions to help solve problems in our hometowns all over the world. Partnering with premier organizations around the globe, we focus our resources on reaching people in need and tackling issues that matter. Our world-class programs reflect Honeywell's heritage, products, and people, and have resulted in some pretty terrific outcomes. When it comes to safety and security, we know nothing is more important than protecting our families. So in 2004, HHS announced our first partnership with the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Since then, Got to Be Safe and our Canadian program, Billy Brings His Buddies, have reached millions of children and their families, including every third grade classroom in the U.S. and every first grade in Canada. In partnership with NASA, we created FMA Live in 2005. 16,000 students saw the show in the first year, and just 4 years later, it has toured all 48 contiguous states, reaching 225,000 middle school students and their science teachers. 96 teachers attended the first Honeywell Educators at Space Academy. To date, the program has reached almost 1,500 teachers from 34 countries. The Honeywell Nobel Initiative staged its first event in Prague in 2006. Since then, the program has flourished, and to date, we have held events in 20 universities, partnered with 17 Nobel laureates, and reached 14,000 students. And our science and math portfolio keeps expanding, now including partnerships with the Stevens Institute, Syracuse Museum of Science and Technology, and the Maryland Science Center. We're filling critical gaps in our communities, helping inspire the next generation of scientists, or working to get a neighbor back on their feet. Our pilot project with Rebuilding Together started with 2 homes in Minneapolis. Since then, we've completed 249 more builds, fielding 6,900 volunteers who gave 55,000 hours of their time. Helping communities all over the world takes commitment and heart, and in times of greatest need, speed. When disaster strikes, the Honeywell Humanitarian Relief Fund answers the call, providing fast, direct aid to our employees, often before other relief efforts can reach them. From Mexico to the Middle East, from the American Midwest to Sichuan Province, China, Honeywell Humanitarian Relief has been on the scene, helping employees, their families, and communities get back on their feet. In just 4 years' time, the program has provided $6.3 million in aid and assisted 645 employees. Honeywell Hometown Solutions is there to lend a helping hand, not only rebuilding homes and communities, but also improving conservation and habitat. Working to improve the environment and expand recreation, we partnered with Honeywell remediation teams to plant habitat in Syracuse, New York in 2006. Since then, we've added projects in Baltimore and Jersey City, working with teachers from critical communities to teach conservation lessons, and taking their classroom outside where students can learn by doing. From 22 employee clubs in 2003, we have grown to 70 clubs, and we will continue to expand through a robust online community of volunteers, partners, and local beneficiaries. With the commitment of our dedicated employees and the support of our leaders, Honeywell Hometown Solutions will continue to improve our neighborhoods and communities, inspiring hope and doing what matters. One student, one classroom, one home, one neighborhood at a time.